in the garden. In my vegetable garden, I grow big tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots, and squash and potatoes. In springtime, we plant all our seeds in the earth. Then the rain helps them sprout. It's a time of rebirth. In the summer, our veggies grow tall or grow wide. The bright sunshine warms them. We tend them with pride. In the fall comes the harvest when we eat all our crop. We do canning and baking, then feast till we drop. In the winter it's cold and all covered with snow, and our garden is silent and resting below.